You are welcome to today's class. So let's answer the question. How many isomers does hexane has? So for us to answer this question, you know that hexane is 6 carbon, right? So hexane is 6 carbon. So if you want to know the isomer of hexane, there is a formula for you. Instead of racking your brain to get the formula, instead of writing it down to count the number of isomers that you have gotten, so there is a formula, and the formula is very simple. So I'm going to give you now, and if you are new on this page, make sure you like, follow and share. So I want you to note this: you can only have isomers starting from carbon 4. The reason is that carbon 1 is already methane, so carbon 1 is methane, while carbon 2 is ethyl. So when you want to write for carbon 1, is only 1 carbon that you are going to get, and for 2 carbon, which is ethyl, so you are going to get just 2. So there is no how you want to arrange it. And you know that isomer is a compound that have the same molecular formula but different structure, right? So same thing applicable to propane. That's why I said your isomer can only start from 4 carbon, that is butane. We have different formula when you are dealing with carbon 4 to carbon 7, probably from butane to heptane, that is carbon 7, right? So when you are dealing with carbon 4 to carbon 7, you use the formula 2 raised power n minus 4 plus 1. So now let's prove it. Assuming it is butane, that's going to be, so if we have 4 carbons, so that's going to be 2 raised power 4 minus 4 plus 1. 2 raised power 0 plus 1. Any number raised power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, that's equals to 2. And when you check butane, you can have 2 isomers of butane, which is normal butane, and 2 methylpropane. So that is 2. So now let's calculate for hexane that is in our question. Now we are dealing with 6 carbons, right? So 6 carbon, we are dealing with 6 carbon. That's going to be 2 raised power 6 minus 4 plus 1. That's going to give us 2 raised to power 2 plus 1. 2 raised to power 2 is 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. And when you check for hexane, you are going to have 5 isomers. Now, what if you were given a compound that is more than 6? So when you have 8 carbon, that's going to be 2 raised to power n minus 4 plus 2. So that's the formula for number 8. 8 carbon, that's octane. So if we have 8 carbon, 2 raised power n minus 4 plus 2. And if you have 9 carbon, that's going to be 2 raised power n minus 4 plus 3. What if you have a carbon greater than 9? So that's carbon greater than 9. So your formula will be 2 raised power n minus 4 plus 1 plus n. Note, this n here is the number of carbon you are dealing with. Probably you are dealing with 10 carbon, so that's going to be 2 raised power 10 minus 4 plus 1 plus 10. So if you have any other question, drop it in the comment section. See you guys in my next video.